So here I am coming on to you for my FinIasaii Chuukbang Mukbang live video. I'm eating as a snack again my mango fruit salad with coconut milk and my Chuukbang bread and pinawa. I made some yesterday and here I am eating it. It's so amat. It's so yummy. I did made the recipe yesterday. I was gonna upload it onto my YouTube channel, but for some reason it got deleted. So I'm gonna do another video again for my recipe and I will upload it on later this week. So this video is just a video of myself eating my Chuukbang pinawa and my mango fruit salad with coconut milk too. So when you wanna feed it though, I want my son to be part of it. He was it. So are you feeding it to you or feeding it to me?
To you.